So as soon as you walk into the park, guys, you have got complimentary water at the first stand on the right hand side. So have you guys guessed where we are yet? Well, that's right, we are at Hollywood Studios. Yes, we're back at Hollywood Studios today. We've got 3 fast passes, not 1, not 2, but 3 fast passes. So Lelly's just got a complimentary water, and our first pass of the day is Rock and Roller Coaster. We like a bit of Aerosmith anyway, don't we? So we're going to head down there now. And there's the Tower of Terror. And just to your left you have Rock and Roller Coaster.
I literally wouldn't put like
We're sitting in the fast pass queue at the minute. It's quite big, but the main wait for the standby is 105 minutes. I'm just pleased that we're not standing that queue.
Exit to your right and rock on.
You survived it, Will.
You like your new hat?
Yes.
You proper rocker. Are you a proper rocker? It should be about the ears. Where's your ears? There's your ears, Lane.
What?
There's your ears.
My ears. I mean, I can get a t-shirt to go with it.
Yeah.
Ready? A little bit.
Wait time for the Tower of Terror is currently at 70 minutes, but we've got another fast pass. And Lelly's also got a drink.
What?
Always ask for light ice, because otherwise they put this much ice in there and I'm in the way. But yeah, always ask for light ice. But the guys over here these guys here are actually waiting in a fast pass queue to book a fast pass. So always use your My Disney Experience.
Ready?
Yeah.
Now, something is about to happen that will change all that.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Okay, so this is one of the stop-off sort of snack locations, which is Joffrey's. It's like a coffee place. Coffee, espresso, pastries, and They do some mean iced coffees and some ginormous donuts. Here he comes, look. What have you got?
Iced caramel latte and a strawberry drink.
Why, thank you.
That's it.
What do you mean that's it?
That's it.
I was just telling everybody how they do such lovely pastries and nice goodies.
I don't know what you mean.
What are you eating? My God, that's the biggest donut I've ever seen.
So you can definitely tell it is a weekend. It is Sunday today, and it's quite busy, isn't it?
Yeah, super busy today.
Super busy. So
we're now going to watch the Frozen sing-along theatre thing.
which is the fast passes over there.
Oh, better go that way then.
Go that way then.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've got to be there in 3 minutes.
You get so lost. So much to do.
I know. So we're going to head over to Frozen. We've not actually seen it before. Sing-along celebration.
I'm excited because I do like a good sing-song.
I don't know if it's outside or inside, but it'd be really nice if it was inside. So we're going to go in.
We proudly present to you the story of Anna and Elsa. We also invite you to join us in the singing of the anthems of Arendelle. If you don't know the words, just follow along.
I have a feeling they already know the words.
Where should we start?
Let it go! Let it go!
No. Too soon. That's the big one. So save it.
Where do you want to start?
Every good story starts the beginning.
So we have just come out of Frozen Sing-along. That was
Wow.
brilliant. Like, you just think it's just a cheesy little kids thing, but
Oh
they've
no,
got-
it's fantastic.
it's brilliant, isn't it? They've got the comedian type actors in there who kind of tell the story. Don't want to give away too much, but it was brilliant.
Oh,
Wasn't it?
so good.
So powerful, so moving. It's just
Yeah.
so. If you come into Hollywood Studios, we would highly recommend that you do it.
We'll give it like a 12 out of 10.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. So that's our 3 fast passes for today. We're going to head over to a place called
Is it Lakeland?
Lakeland. Yeah. So we're going to do a little bit of shopping, pop into a Walmart now. But yeah, this is our morning at Hollywood Studios. So.
On the road again. I just can't wait to be on the road again. So we have been to our shop. We've got what rubs we wanted. We are now heading straight back into Orlando. Well, head to Kissimmee now, yeah, because we're gonna go to a Walmart. I think we need some more like luggage, don't we?
Suitcase.
We need a new suitcase because we've kind of bought lots of stuff, and I don't think we're going to get it all home. So yeah, we'll.
We got a Dunkin' Donut.
We got a Dunkin' Donut drink, not the donut itself, because we didn't already had a ginormous donut today.
Earlier.
But I've got. Look at the size of that. I've been supping on this for the last 10 minutes. It's not going down. So I've got like a chocolatey coffee sort of mocha thing, frozen drink, and Will, you've got a strawberry coolata, they're called.
Yeah. I don't know how you really pronounce it in England, but they call it a coolata.
Like a pina colada, but you got a strawberry colada.
You've lost the plot.
Oh, I never had it.
Good old Walmart in Kissimmee on the 192, just after medieval times.
That's our favourite one.
It's our favourite one. It's quite big here,
It's
isn't
massive.
it?
So
Well, look.
it's that big, it has to have a liquor store on the side.
Yeah, we went into a liquor store just over there the other day, and we got some Bud Light Platinums, didn't we?
Yeah, we love Bud Light Platinums.
But
But yeah, I mean, like,
so yes, in the boot brought another suitcase.
Because it was in desperate need for an
Yeah,
extra
we brought a few bits, haven't we? So
yeah.
we're going to need 40 bucks. That's 40 bucks for that suitcase. But also, going on to the grill stuff earlier, brought a thermometer for my grill at home, or barbecue. And where's the other thing? Even better, it's the best rub we brought, which is right here.
No, it's not.
No, they're balls.
They're balls, it's here.
There we are.
Jack Daniel's beef rub.
So
Wow.
no need to go to TGI, so you can come to N Lelly's for a barbecue.
Yeah.
Should we go back to the hotel and freshen up?
Yep, because we've got dinner reservations again for this evening.
Which we might miss.
Woo! We better hurry up.
Bye. Hey, Lelly's happy.
I know, look.
Look how Junie's made our bed look.
Our cleaner lady's called Junie.
Yep.
She's a really nice lady, isn't she?
Yes, Junie. Here she is.
There's her ticket. Yeah, she's a really lovely lady and she does a good job of looking after us.
That's right. I better not show you the rest of the room because it's not very nice.
The rest of the room's like a bit of a mess, but yeah, I like the fact she puts my cuddly toy on there.
You do, didn't you?
Yeah.
Oh, look at these bits. Look, I'm a bit burnt today.
Oh, you are a bit burnt, aren't you?
Yeah. So we're now at Disney Springs, night time now, and we've got changed. We're ready to have some dinner in Disney Springs. Check out what it's like at night. So we're in a line parking garage, and it's pretty cool because it tells you the number of spaces available on each floor. In fact, it tells you how many spaces are available in each row.
18 available in this one.
How cool is that? So the really cool technology in this car park is actually these black things just above, because look, it shows you that it's green, so it actually monitors all the different places. So as and when people park up, that sign over there says it's on 6 at the minute, but if somebody parks up it's going to reduce down to 5. I think it's pretty cool. And as you come out of the parking garage, on the lime green parking garage, this is the polite pig I was talking to you about the other day, which is really, really tasty. We've got to eat in there one day. It smells so cool. We've got the Rainforest Cafe on fire. I've never known that.
No, I never known it to do that. Wow.
Oh, wow.
That is so cool.
Florida's currently got a fire ban, but no, not at the Rainforest Cafe.
Not the Rainforest Cafe.
There's a band up here starting on the main stage at Disney Springs, and they're just doing a sound check at the minute opposite World of Disney. But first up, I think we're going to go for a Starbucks coffee. We're going to check out one of these. I think I could do with a refresher. Hi. Thank you. And that's how we roll on a Sunday night. Strawberry refresher from the wonderful Starbucks. Oh yes! So we're going to check out the Rainforest Cafe. Look at this. I reckon the steak and shrimp looks pretty good down here. Although the actual Jamaican rundown looks good as well. We even have huge tanks inside as well.
No, it's like a tank over there, it's like tanks running through here, there's tanks over the other side, and then as well, it has thunder and lightning, all the lights flicker, like all the lights dim off and then flicker like thunder and lightning.
It's really cool, isn't
it? You're in a real rainforest.
Cool seats. We're going to sit at the bar, but these cool seats, do you want to sit on the zebra or the lion? What do you want to sit on? Or the parrot?
Or a parrot.
Or the giraffe? Decisions.
The zebra.
You have the zebra. All right, I'll have the tiger. We can sit at the bar area because there's not enough seats available at the table. There's about an hour's wait at the minute. So Lenny's just currently checking out the drinks list. But I tell you what does look good, which is a fusion margarita. So all drinks here on the cocktails are $10, but if you want to pay extra, you can get the $15. You do get 21 ounces, but you get to keep the glass. So this works out pretty good. And here is a trio. I love coconut shrimp. We've got a medium steak, and we've got ribs. We've got fries under there. We've got coleslaw, and we've got something else. So, Lelly's got the same, haven't you?
Yeah.
Lelly's got the same. You getting stuck in, are you? Are your fries nice? It's thunder and lightning, Lelly.
Thunder and raining in the rainforest.
Thunder and lightning in the
It's
rainforest.
raining now.
There we are, you can see it's raining really heavy now.
Well, what ones are they? They're late.
So it's
Yeah,
cool.
that's the new show that debuts Friday night. They're testing it right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's Magic Kingdom. They're debuting a new fireworks show Friday night.
Anyway, this is it from tonight. We are finishing up at Disney Springs. We're on level 4, so we're going to go home now. We're going to go to bed.
Finish watching these fireworks.
Yeah, we're going to finish watching the
This
fireworks.
is a free preview of what they've got in store for us.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Wow.
But we won't see it till our next vacation because we leave too early. We leave a day before they start. But anyway,
Watch these.
we're going to say thanks very much for watching. See you later.
See ya.
Bye.
Star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have the wish I wish tonight.